shoot dang, it worked. I caught a swarm. The swarm bait worked. So the trap is set. So after that inspection I did on my hives over there, I decided to make a swarm trap in hopes that if my hives do swarm, I can catch one. So the wind is blowing that direction towards the hives. The beehive is here with the swarm bait inside. So hopefully my hives don't swarm. They like the new digs I put on, and they get their queen situation figured out, straightened out, and continue producing. But swarm trap just in case. Okay, so I feel like I have to do something because I feel like my hives are going to swarm. So I'm making a top secret recipe. This is a swarm attractant. 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons beeswax right here in the olive oil. Melt it down and you add lemongrass extract, 40 drops. And that's a swarm attractant. So I'm going to give it a try. Hopefully my hives don't swarm, but if they do, maybe I get lucky and catch one. We'll see. You can see now it's starting to break up finally. The olive oil is heating up enough. It's taking a minute, but it's in this little double boiler, so as to not burn it. Slowly but surely making progress. Olive oil, beeswax, 2 tablespoons, 1/4 cup. Okay, so it's all melted in there. I'm going to try to get my 40 drops of the lemongrass extract and then get it into my container. Okay, I'm thinking that's about 40 drops. Kind of lost track, but we're going to go with it. Try to remove this pan because it is hot. Mix that in there. So we're just going to wait for that to cool. Keep it mixed up.
Well, I couldn't find your case, so.
Yep. Okay, so we got the mixture completed. Here it is. It's kind of waxy. So you take a tablespoon of this, smear it on the back wall of the hive. So these frames were out, and I smeared about a tablespoon on the back wall of this hive on the inside. I found a nice, quiet, elevated position in the shade over by my hives where we're gonna go set it right now. And just in case. Probably about a week ago, I was out working on my turkey coops and I noticed a lot of bee activity over here. And I've been watching it for the last several days. Now, I have some issues that I have to handle with this if there's going to be a viable queen in here. I have ants in the hive. Again. So, I have ants in there. But I need to open it up and see actually what's going on, if I did catch a swarm or what. Super excited to check this out. So let me give them a little smoke. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna find in here. There's a few. Wow. So still new, so there's still, yeah, like not a lot of stuff going on. That's okay. That's okay. Oh, there's a wax moth. I got a wax moth problem in this hive. That's gonna have to stay out. Dang it. Imagine that, you catch a swarm and you got a wax moth problem. Look at that. Look at those wax moth eggs. Kick them out. Look at that. Look at, there's a wax moth there. Okay, I gotta get rid of this frame. Come on. This thing was loaded with bees the other day. Let me see something. Something. More wax moths. I gotta get rid of this frame too. Yeah, there's nothing. I think these guys are just robbing. Or not really I don't know if they were robbing. There was a swarm in here, man, but because it sat out here, wax moths just took over it. Man, I just can't catch a break. I just can't catch a break, man. Such a shame. There's no queen. I mean, what happened? Why are these bees even here then? Seriously. Yeah, there's nothing in here. Just a bunch of wax moths. There's no, actual production, no queen, no larva, no nothing. But I kid you not, man, there was a lot of activity in here. I showed my family and everything. I was super, super excited about it, but I think the wax moths just, and the ants, of course, you can't count out the ants, just ruined it. Man. Dang, I thought I caught a swarm. Alright, well, I'm going to leave this in shambles. I'll have to come clean it up later. This is a loss. I think swarm season's pretty much over. Well, I don't know. Man, that blows.